Say, Natasha,
Yeah?
can you give me a check 1, 2 on the microphone?
Oh, sure. Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. How was that?
Oh, that's just fine. Hey, boss, you want to give me a check 1, 2 on your microphone? Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. I should say, check Beijing Nij. Check Beijing Nij. All right, that should do it. So whenever you're ready. All right. Say, do you want to do the intro?
Yeah, sure. You mean now?
Yeah, the camera's rolling.
Oh, jeez. Hey, everybody. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to Boozhoo, Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nanaboozhoo, and that's Anamosh on the controls, and Michael with the guitar. And we're going to start out the show with a song. You want to do the song right away?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, this is by Aha, and the song is called Take On Me.
Talking away, I don't know what I'm to say, I'll say it anyway. Today's another day to find you shying away. I'll be coming for your love, okay? Take on me. Take me on. I'll be gone in a day or two. So needless to say, I'm odds and ends, but I'll be stumbling awake, slowly learning that life is okay. Say after me, it's no better to be safe than sorry. Take on me. Take me on. I'll be gone in a day or two. Things that you say, is it life or just to play my worries away? You're all the things I've got to remember. You shine away. I'll be coming for you anyway. Take on me. Take me on. I'll be gone in a day or two. Take day or two. In a day or two. In a day or two.
Oh, nice job, Michael.
Hey, thanks a lot.
You too, Nanaboozhoo.
Oh, thank you very much.
And Nanaboozhoo will return after these messages. Welcome to Boozhoo, Nanaboozhoo. Oh, I said, welcome to Boozhoo, Nanaboozhoo. Neeman Wendam, G.A. Hanumanungu.
Welcome back to Boozhoo, Nanaboozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. The base and the nation of guys. Rooster is my name. Now please welcome Nanaboozhoo. Hey Nanaboozhoo, welcome to the show.
Oh, thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, Nabese. And, yeah, sorry about that.
Heart beat fast, colors and promises. How to be brave, how can I love when I'm afraid to fall, but watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave, I will not let anything take weigh what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. All along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me, and I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Oh, hey, Boozhoo.
And it's a really gray and rainy day. Dugwagon, autumn. Yeah, it's a very autumny autumn day today. I guess we could make that the Ojibwe word of the day. Dugwagon, autumn. For some people, this time of year can be sort of depressing. You try to have a good attitude. I remember last year on this time, I still was saying something about how, autumn is a time of change. And, I saw a meme that said, it had a tree with changing colors. And the meme was, this is just to remind you of how beautiful letting go can be. But, sometimes it's not so easy to let go, is it? Sometimes we got memories. Sometimes, okay, this is for the kids. If you find yourself with the blues, it's always good to kind of, first of all, talk to an elder. Talk to grandma. Say, hey, grandma, I got the blues. And she'll be like, oh, what's the problem? But sometimes people have real loss. And, Sida enda moen grief. Sometimes people lose stuff. You can lose a loved one. A loved one can start their journey, take their journey to the spirit world, and you might feel grief. And and that's okay. You're supposed to. But it's not easy sometimes. So go talk to grandma. That's my advice. If you don't have a grandma, maybe grandma went off to the spirit world, and you got Sida enda moen. You got your grief. Oh, I sure miss my grandma. Maybe your puppy passed away. Oh, that's a tough one too. Go talk to grandma. Or talk to somebody. Anyway, I wrote a song about this. For better or worse, everybody, like a leaf on a tree, one day we all fall down. It's just part of life. So this is called All Fall Down. Back of your mind, Don't wanna waste any time. How can I waste any time if I've gotta die? Maybe one day, maybe when I'm old and gray, then it'll feel okay. One day we'll all fall down. Someday we'll all fall down. Do we really need an authority to make us see eternity? There's no you or me. We're waves on a sea. We're leaves on a tree. It's not as it seems. One day we'll all fall down. Someday we'll all fall down. Yeah. One day we'll all fall down. Someday we'll all fall down. Oh, hey, by the way, Nanaboozhoo will return after these messages. Nah. All right. You got anything you want to add to this, sweetie?
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, just the usual pitch. If you'd like to support the show, please click the link. You can order, hoodies and t-shirts. Oh, you know what they got on Teespring?
What's that?
They got little baby shirts. I don't forget what they're called. And it says Hoa. And it's got an alien. It's got Steven. So dress your baby in a Hoa t-shirt. And there's also cups and stuff. So click the link to Teespring. And we've got Ojibwe language books for sale on Amazon. And if you'd like to support the show, financially, you can become a patron saint on patreon.com. Or just, buy us a cup of coffee. Buy us a cup of muckety mush kiki wabu. Just click the link to PayPal. All right, enough of that. Back to you, Nanaboozhoo.
And I want to say make much to everyone who's supporting the show. Whether it's financially or with a little thumbs up or by sharing it. And, if you'd like us to come to your school, leave us a message. We'll come by the school and we'll teach the kids some Ojibwe language. Okay. Well, I will see you again. You go up a min. Min a lot. Oh, what?